Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x square minus 16 is equals to 94 times 96 times 98 times 100, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking only x square this side and removing this minus 16x square by adding plus 16 to both sides. So x square is equals to 94 times 96 times 98 times 100 plus 16. Now I am doing the substitution here. So I'm taking n is equals to 94. So x square is equals to n multiply. Here 96 we can write it as 94 plus 2. And the value of 94 is n. So n plus 2. Similarly, 98 as n plus 4 and 100 as n plus 6 plus 16. So x square is equals to n. First I'm taking n plus 6 with n. Now n plus 2, n plus 4 plus 16. So x square is equals to, so I'm doing the multiplication. So n square plus 6n. And here when I'm doing the multiplication, n with n square, n with 4, 4n, plus 2 with n, 2n, plus 8, plus 16. So here 4n plus 2n, we can write it as 6n. Now from both brackets, n square plus 6n is common. So I'm taking the substitution and I'm going to write t in place of this. So x square is equals to t plus 8 plus 16. Now again I'm doing the multiplication, t square plus 8t plus 16. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are going to do the middle term split. So the 8t we can write it as 4t plus 4t plus 16. Now x square is equals to, from the first two terms I can take t as common. So t plus 4. Now from next two terms I can take 4 as common. So t plus 4 again. So x square is equals to t plus 4 and t plus 4. So x square is equals to t plus 4 whole square. I am taking square root both sides. So with the help of these square, this square root eliminates. So x is equals to t plus 4. So as we know, we take the substitution of t. So x is equals to n square plus 6n plus 4. And we take also the substitution of n. So x square is equals to 94 square plus 6n. 6 times 94 plus 4. So x is equals to 94 square. 94 we can write it as 100 minus 6 whole square. So here we can use the identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is 100, 100 square minus 2 times 100 times 6 plus 6 square. So 100 square is 4 zeros minus 2 times 6 is 12, 100 plus 36, 10036 minus 1200, that is 6, 3, 7, 8. And it is also 8. So 8, 8, 3, 6 plus 6 times 94 is 594 plus 4. Here it comes in plus minus. So x is equals to 9404 with plus minus sign. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.